motherfucker right here make you want to tell him get the fuck off. Like, go fuck off. Fuck off. Talk too fucking much. The man fucking working. That's why I walked away from him. He's fucking working, dude. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Talk to the motherfucker on your side. I'm about to tell this dude. I be wanting to tell motherfuckers off. Fuck off. You coming for a truck repair? You need your truck repair?
Yeah.
Oh,
I have a Dorset tire.
Oh, okay. They charge by the hour, you know?
Huh?
They charge by the hour.
Hour?
Yeah, they charge by the hour. So this shit right here costs money, you know?
Everything costs money.
If you do it right, you can save money.
But we won't be able to continue our driving without tires.
If you do, it costs more money. One down, two to go. Yeah. Where your truck at? TA? Oh. Say fuck off. Shit. Yeah, tires cost a lot of motherfucking money. Conversate on your own motherfucking time, dude. Man. Where my money going? Take this off. Asking for money. Know where the money. Asking for money and you know where the money going. Back into the business. This is how I got the KC. That story I was telling. This is the time I got. It's already gone. Tires, all telltales. Inside wall went apart. I hope y'all can see that. Inside wall just broke, gave up. Inside wall went out on that one. That one blown. But the crazy part is, how did you let it come to this? Never seen nothing like this. Made me not feel so bad. How you ride and get away with that for so long? That is crazy. How DOT let you pass the scales? You was blowing them all. That's what the fuck you was doing. Never. That's crazy. Let me know what y'all think. That's crazy. We got hella tires, no used tires, all on fucked up. That's wild. That's like a good ass used tire right there. We got a fat ass nail in it. I can see it from here. Damn, so many bugs out here. So many motherfucking bugs, nigga. Everywhere I look around, there's the bugs all around here, all around. I'm not sitting in my truck. Can't do it. These people talk a lot and they slow down. It was working. Put my tire back on. Get the fuck out. Shit. Hey. Oh man. They're done and over with. That one's bad over here too. That's human fat, huh?
Yep.
Hey, he said yeah. I don't think he's kidding. That's human fat.
People don't pay the bill.
Yeah. People come through here too motherfucking late. Shit.
Couple more pounds. That's why I think that valve come out. They air up a lot faster when it's not in there.
These don't let you over here anyway, huh? It'll let out air if it's too much.
I'm not sure about that.
No?
No, I think I can get it right up there if I wanted to.
Oh, okay. Because mine, I got one in the truck. If it's over like 110 or whatever, if it's hot, it'll just let out air.
That's kind of cool, actually.
Yeah, I guess so.
But I see I run my air gun on mine, so I want like all the air pressure I can get.
Hell yeah. Yeah, for sure. So